Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, dog, cats, and squirrels, or anybody who might want to listen to an old man like me. Hello, world. Hello, money. Hola, dinero. Hola, mundo. Man, get out of my way. I got a date with that end zone. Touchdown, Colorado. Fireworks, please.
This could go down in history if they win a championship, first one since 2001. Okay, do something a little different here. We are now going to take it from Urban's playbook to Cordell Stewart's playbook and talk us through the most memorable Hail Mary in college football history.
Well, we practice that during the week. Every Thursday, we kind of do a little walkthrough. I have to throw it because I have to make sure I can. We're in altitude, so it ends up making it every single time. But in that moment, it was pretty crazy. So we did it at the half. And we threw an interception, it didn't work. But then we get to the end of the game. We had 3 rushers coming. Rashawn Salam and Turner Birdie did a great job of knocking down Trevor Price. I stepped up in the pocket, came back out, gave it an opportunity because if I would have threw it too quick, then the guys wouldn't have been there. So I had to give it a little bit of time. And once I did that, I threw it as far as I could. And all I saw was this big guy named Michael Westbrook came out nowhere and catching it. Everything was past my head.
How many quarterbacks have the arm strength to make that? Not many.
Not many. And by the way, what was that? Michigan. That was, what was that? It was minus 26 yards. I was 74 yards in the air. I gotta say it, because some people like to say officially it was 60-some yards. I'm like, you're robbing me. 10 to 12 yards.
That was a 74-yard dart game winner at the Big House. By the way, we got a birthday celebration this week. A legend here at the University of Colorado. Bangkok of turning 100 years. This week is there she is. The Colorado Garage, 1940s. She's taking it over 25 minutes. My queen, happy birthday. Look at this cake. Let's sing it out. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Miss Peggy. Happy birthday to you. And may God give you plenty more, young lady. 100 years young.
Share some of that cake. Cordell Stewart, thank you for joining us. Jim, thank you, man. Peggy, happy birthday. Boulder, you're beautiful. We're taking the show inside. How about a big 100 for Peggy? Happy birthday, Peggy. Happy birthday. Oh, my gosh. So good.
Man, get out of my way. I got a date with that end zone. Touchdown, Colorado. Fireworks, please.